This is John Nielsen for Data Analytics Theory. This is a real quick walkthrough of my code for the dashboard. I'll show the dashboard and then I'll do a walkthrough the code. So this is the dashboard right here. I didn't go for a lot of bells and whistles, but you can just really quickly choose to go ascending or descending, so you can look at the worst performers or the best performers, and then you can sort by different items right here, as you can see right there. And then, of course, that'll change the updated bar graph right here. Very quickly, going into the code for it. These are just the things you need to import. I need to use NP for some of the bar chart stuff. Although I think that's probably included in Streamlit, so it didn't cause huge issues. Just read it in. And then I added a column. So this feature that I chose to add is sales per customer, because that seems like you can kind of identify the really high value items that are the like boutique type stores if you choose to sort by this. So I think that would be something that a executive would be interested in. And then if possible, you can do a group by store stuff right here. And then this just gets the information from the various options that you choose. So the checkbox makes it ascending or descending. The radio options are just the various columns you can sort by. And then this sadly did not work. I couldn't get the color map to work, so that I'm actually deleting. Oops. And then this was trying to do the colorization for the table. Didn't quite work the way I hoped it would, but this part right here will just load the table with all these options preset. So those all come from the various widgets that are part of it. And then the bar graph uses those same options from those widgets. And that's that.